Cleaning the charger is also very easy. So usually we would ask you this if you're getting lines. So let's show you how to do this on the Phoenix boxes. You open the front cover, you take out the waste box, you take out the cleaning wand, it's over here, looks like this. If you're getting black lines, you would put it here. If you're getting blue lines, you would put it here. If you're getting magenta lines, you would put it here. And if you're getting yellow lines, you would put it here. So you simply stick the wand. Black lines here. You'll do this about 10 times. Cyan lines right over here. Magenta lines. And yellow lines. And that's how you clean the charger. You put the cleaning wand back where it goes. Then you put your waste toner receptacle back where it goes. You close the front cover, and that's it.